So hi everyone, my name is Enver and today we're gonna learn about science experiment. So this is for kids, you all know. So kids science experiment. Sugar versus flour in water. So this is the materials we need to put. First, 2 clear glass, then add water in these glass and then sugar or flour. I can pick any of this. So I'll take sugar and I'll put it into the glass with a spoon right here. And then wait, this is processor. Fill both glass with the same amount of water. Add sugar to the first glass and stir. Add flour or baking soda flour to the second glass and stir. Observe what happens in each glass. Observation. Observation. Sugar dissolves in water, making the water clear. Flour does not dissolve and make the water cloudy. Baking soda dissolves but may create bubbles. Explanation. Sugar molecules dissolves easily in water. Flour particles are too large to dissolve and stay suspended. This helps the kids to learn difference between dissolving and mixing. Now this is the last part. Conclusion. His experiment. I said sugar, so I want to take sugar. So when it's transparent, I can see through because it's clear water, like our water. And this is non-transparency, so that means you can't see through. It's just cloudy. It's salt water. So thank you everyone for listening my video. I hope you like it and bye.